Creating a board game can be a fun and creative project. Here's a simplified guide. Conceptualize your game. Start with a clear idea of the game's theme, objective, and rules. Consider what makes your game unique. Design the game mechanics. Determine how players will move, win, and lose in your game. Create a set of rules that provide structure and challenge. Materials and components. List the materials you will need, such as a game board, cards, tokens, dice, and playing pieces. Sketch out a rough design of your game board and pieces. Prototype. Create a basic prototype using paper, cardboard, or a digital design tool. This helps you test and refine your game's mechanics and balance. Playtest. Invite friends or family to playtest your game. Gather feedback and make adjustments to improve gameplay and balance. Final design. Once satisfied with the prototype, create a polished version of your game board and components. You can use graphic design software for a professional look. Rules and instructions. Write clear and concise rules and instructions for players. Include setup, gameplay, and winning conditions. Testing and refinement. Playtest your game multiple times to ensure it's enjoyable and free of major issues. Make any necessary revisions. Production. Decide if you want to produce your game yourself or explore options for professional production and printing. Marketing and distribution. If you intend to sell your game, consider marketing strategies and distribution channels. You can also share it digitally or with local gaming communities. Legal considerations. If you plan to sell your game commercially, research any legal requirements, copyrights, or trademarks that may apply.